In this question, we have to find the value of a, b and c which satisfy the given equation. Pause the video, give it a try, or continue for the solution. The equation is 4 raised to power a plus 4 raised to power b plus 4 raised to power c is equal to 1092. Now multiply and divide the left hand side by 4 raised to power c. Now take this 4 raised to power c into the bracket and multiply to each number in the bracket. We get our equation like this. Now this 4 raised to power c gets cancelled out with 4 raised to power c and becomes 1. Now this 1092 in right hand side, we can write it as 4 into 273. Now if we see left hand side is a product of two numbers. The one number is 4 raised to power something and second number is an odd number. How can we say it is an odd number? Because this part is even, this part is even, the two parts are even, and we are adding 1 to it, so this number becomes a odd number. And if we look at the right hand side, this is also 4 to power 1. We can write 4 as 4 to power 1 and multiplied by an odd number. So by comparing both sides, we can say 4 raised to power c is equal to 4 raised to power 1, or we can say c is 1, and the other part of the equation should be equal to 273. Now put the value of c in this equation. We get 4 raised to power a divided by 4 plus 4 raised to power b divided by 4 is equal to 273 minus 1. So hence we get 4 raised to power a divided by 4 plus 4 raised to power b divided by 4 is equal to 272. Multiplying both sides by 4, we get 4 raised to power a plus 4 raised to power b is equal to 4 into 272. Again multiply and divide left hand side by 4 raised to power b and take this 4 raised to power b in the bracket. Four raised to power b get cancelled. Now this right hand side, that is 4 into 272, can be written as 4 into 4 into 4 into 17, or 4 raised to power 3 into 17. In left hand side, we have 4 raised to power something multiplied by an odd number. Again the same logic, because 4 raised to power a upon 4 raised to power b is an even number and we are adding 1 to it. So we can compare left hand side to right hand side and get value of b is equal to 3 and 4 raised to power a upon 4 raised to power b plus 1 is equal to 17. Here we put the value of b is equal to 3 in this equation. We get 4 raised to power a upon 4 raised to power 3 is equal to 17 minus 1, that is 16. 16 can be written as 4 square. So 4 raised to power a, taking 4 cube to the right hand side, 4 raised to power a will be 4 square into 4 cube. Here we get 4 raised to power a is equal to 4 raised to power 5, which means value of a is 5. Hence we get our required value of a is equal to 5, b is equal to 3 and c is equal to 1.